The framework screen is usually the start screen after you sign into the platform. If you are designing a curriculum, this is where the process begins. Whether you have your competencies already identified based on a standard occupational competency profile, or you created them through your own DACM or task analysis session, you can start documenting your framework by clicking the plus icon in the title bar of the left menu. A new empty slot will appear in the left menu with default placeholder information. To edit this information, click the pencil icon. The framework edit form will appear, where you can start by setting the name and description for the framework. Next, click the plus sign to the left of the roles tree. In this tree-based structure, you can define the roles that someone in this occupation is expected to perform. If you are using DACM, these roles map to the duties list. You can then provide the details for the functions, or tasks in DACM, associated with each specific role. This information includes the name and description. To add any additional nodes, click the plus icon at any level, whether it's a role, function, or competency. For each competency level, the required data includes the name, description, the type of competency based on national occupational standards, and the mastery level. You can also indicate whether the competency is must-have or preferable to have. To save changes, click the Save button in the lower right corner. If you forget to save, don't worry, you will receive a notification about unsaved changes. I will continue adding a few extra components in the same way to show how it will look like. Once you've added the framework information, you'll be able to view all the roles and functions within the framework. To see competency details, hover over the rounded square on the same row as the function. This will display the details for each competency. Competencies are color-coded based on the specific properties you selected. To change the property you use for color coding, select the property from the Color Code by Competency menu. To reveal the legends, press the Toggle Show Legend button. To delete any node, whether it's a framework, role, function, or competency, use the bin icon associated with that specific item. To print a framework, simply click the Print button in the upper right corner. You can choose to print it as a PDF or send it to a printer for a hard copy. For an extended view, you can hide the side menu at any time by clicking the arrow icon. Finally, there's framework sharing, a powerful feature that allows you to generate a link for live interaction with a framework, or create an embed code. Use the Share Link button to generate a link, or the Embed Code button if you want to place the framework representation on any website as an embedded component. This functionality is especially beneficial for institutes or organizations that want to showcase white-label frameworks for occupations they provide training for on their websites. That's all for this tutorial. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about the rest of the functionalities. Thank you for listening.